Hi friends, welcome back for our Math Minute here. We're going to do lesson 9.1 Math Box, page 222. So let's work together on this one. Question 1 says draw an X on the shape that has more angles. Well, let's count them out here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So which one has more? We're going to go with draw an X on a shape that has more angles. So I'm going to draw an X right here because that has 5. The other kite shape or rhombus has 4. Write a name for the shape you drew on. Well, what shape has 5 sides or 5 angles? 3 sides would be triangle, 4 would be a quadrilateral, and 5 is a pentagon. Yes, so we're going to write pentagon on the line here. Number 2 says, write the number in expanded form. So that's when we're going to stretch that out. So I see the hundreds. How many hundreds are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 300. And now we're going to go longs, the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 longs, that's counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And what about the ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So that's expanded form. Number 3, draw the same size squares to completely cover the rectangle. Use the small square on the left to help you. Now remember that small square is about a centimeter. So if you wanted to get your ruler out and measure that out, that would be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeters, or 4 of those little squares. For question 4 says for each sentence, circle the unit that makes sense. Ted's arm is 2 blank long. Well, let's see, a foot is about my forearm, and an inch is about my thumb. So would it be, and my arm, would that be about 2 forearms or 2 thumbs? I'm going to go 2 forearms, 2 feet. Moe's goldfish is 8 blank long. Would that be 8 centimeters or 8 meters? I know that my personal reference for a centimeter is my pinky. So would a goldfish be about 8 pinkies? Or my meters, that would be my arm span. 8 arm spans. What do you think here? I think I'm going to go with centimeters, 8 centimeters. It's a little bit smaller. The building is 15 blank tall. 15 inches or 15 yards? Do you think it would be 15? An inch is about a thumb. Would that be 15 thumbs or 15 arm spans? I think we're going to go 15 yards there, friends. Now number 5 says, solve this problem using an open number line to show your work. 60 minus 35. Now you can do that up and down. Some of you like to do that, and that's just fine. I'm going to do it 2 ways. I'm going to use the open number line here first. So I'm going to start at 60, and it says to minus. That means I'm going to go smaller, right? My first loop is I'm going to minus, since it's 35, I'm going to minus 30. I'm good with that. 60 minus 30, that's like 6 minus 3, that's 3, 0 minus 0 is 0. So 60 minus 30 is 30. I just have to minus 5 more then. And 30 minus 5 is 25. Let's try it this way and see if we come up with that same answer. 0 minus 5, 5. Oh my goodness, you caught me. You caught me, friends. I almost did it. I almost forgot. I had to ask that question. More on the floor. Gotta go next door. So that 6 has got to be a 5. And I'm going to borrow 10. And 10 plus 0 is a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3, more on top. I can subtract. No need to stop. 5 minus 3 is 2. Hey, did I come up with the same answer twice? 25 25. We did. Nice work. We did double the work and we got it right. Good effort today, friends. Keep up the great work. Thanks for being here.